Hello guys, I'm making a biscuit today. Let's watch together. And I'm mixing the butter. Then we have to put sugar in. Then we have to mix them together. Mix till it's smooth. Imagine big large eggs and mix till it's smooth. Now we're adding half a teaspoon vanilla extract. I'm adding flour now, then I'm gonna mix it. This is my favorite part. I'm using it with my hands till it's smooth. Rolling with the roller. Now it's gonna be flat. Now we have to put roll. So I'm cutting out the aeroplane shapes, and then you can do any shape. Then I'm putting in the baking tray. I'm gonna put it in the oven to bake for 10 minutes. My biscuits are ready. They're really yummy. You can make them anytime. Bye.